I think the weight of eAutoPowr is very good. It's actually a quite good product, and over the time it will replace all the other transmissions in the series. I'm Christian Sommerlund and I'm a farm manager on this farm located in the northern part of Jutland. We farm around approximately 4,000 hectares of different crops, potatoes, Christmas trees, and of course all the normal crops in crop rotation like rapeseed, wheat, barley. Currently we are using 4 8R tractors and one is RX, and then we have 4 7 series as well, and then I think it's 3 or 4 6 series as well also. Today we have been out on the farm with the subsoiler. It was quite muddy in the surface, but we've been loosening down in approximately 35 centimeters. That's what we normally do after potato harvest, before all the water is coming through the winter time. The noise in the cab is more silent than we're used to in our normal 8R series. It's also more smooth in the movement, and it's shifting faster through all the areas of speed. It's feeling like it's more constant throughout all the RPMs on the tractor compared to what we do have now. I think it will be the way to do a transmission in tractors in the next maybe 10-15 years in electric powered tractors. I think the weight of the eAutoPowr is very good. I don't have any issues about what we can do better. I think it's actually a quite good product. The first thing is the colors and the size of the cab. When you get inside you have these light colors, but it's still some colors easy to clean and keep clean over a long time. And then of course you have quite amount of space. Of course you have these masthead swing and cooling seat. At the beginning I was kind of skeptic about it because I thought it was too complicated to get into, but after a while you can operate more things with your one hand than you could earlier on, and it's actually quite easy to figure out, and you are also able to customize it like you want, so it's also quite good. We're using quite a lot of time of this My Operation Center from John Deere. It's a very good tool, especially on the office. There's a lot of data in there, and we are not using all the data, but we are using quite a lot of what we're going to do in the future, and how is the soil work done, and how do we use less fuel on per acre.